Meaning of ESP.
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 ESP. ESP can refer to multiple things such as extrasensory perception, a paranormal ability to perceive things beyond the usual five senses, or stand for electronic stability program, a safety feature in modern cars designed to assist drivers in maintaining control of their vehicles under certain driving conditions. Additionally, ESP is an abbreviation for various other terms, including Education Support Professional, European Standard Population, and more. The meaning of ESP depends on the context in which it is used.